What a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Good morning, neighbors.
Morning.
It's only been snowing for a couple hours, and we've already got, what, about 2 to 3 inches out there?
Yep. And it's gnarly.
Because before it started snowing, it was raining and sleeting, and...
Yeah.
So... be careful you don't go slip-sliding away.
Not me.
Yeah. So, anyway.
So I got to go out in this. I don't think I'm going to work on at the apartments, but
There's no sense working on it right now. I mean,
so
not if it's gonna keep dumping, and we're supposed to have at least a foot by the time this is done.
yay!
Anywhere from a foot to 3 feet.
almost over my head.
Yeah, it's gonna be as tall as you.
I'm taller than 3 feet, guys.
Barely.
I'm not taller than 3 feet, Ian.
I don't know.
Run,
I can tell from up
run!
I can't tell from up here.
That's true. Enough? Are we done? Val's not feeling well. Passing another stone. So I will see you later. Alright. I'm in my garage. This is interesting. I feel like I'm in a cave. My garage always gets really cluttered in the wintertime. See if my truck has slid down the mountain. Whee! Nice. It's a little snowy. I think I left my gloves in my truck. So, here we go. Nice. Alrighty. Okay, let's see. Start winding up my truck. And I'll start digging out. Boy, so, yeah, this is pretty nice. It's snowing like crazy. We keep hearing phrases like blizzard-like conditions, and that sounds like a lot of fun. I gotta go to the post office right now, and this snow is very wet, which is I don't know if that's good or bad. This is you know, I'm not used to it, so this is the first time I've seen such wet snow, and it has a lot to do with it's 35 degrees, so it's not even freezing outside, but we've got snow coming down like crazy, so it's kind of coming down wet. So going to the post office, I will drag you guys along with me. I think 4-wheel drive is in order today. Go down the gentlest path. Oh, by the way, my truck didn't slide down the hill, which I'm very happy about. We have had no street equipment come by yet. It's just about 4 inches deep on the road. Other people are already digging out. I see. There's a guy over here with a shovel. And I don't know whether I should head over to the apartments or not, or wait the storm out. I never know, because I don't know what people's expectations are as far as snow and stuff. I haven't heard any complaints from the apartments yet. And the equipment is available to whoever wants to dig things out. So, and I've got some residents now who are willing to take care of their own stuff, which makes me really, really happy. Alright. My brakes are frozen. I can feel that. Alright, I'm finished with what I've got to do, and the snow has not let up one bit. And it looks like the plows are out in force now, so people can actually get around. So, see if I can get home without dying. Scared the crap out of everybody. Poor dog.
Jumanji 2! I got to watch Jumanji 2 today.
That's nice.
And we also watched another great movie with Anna Kendrick in it, and it was called Mr. Right.
As far as chick flicks go, that one was great. It was funny.
It kind of was a chick flick, but it really wasn't.
It was a chick flick.
Stop, Angel.
But it was hilarious.
Yeah, it was good. It was good. I liked it a lot. But Jumanji 2!
That one was pretty good, too.
Gonna watch it again tonight with Kevin.
Is that right?
That's right.
Okay.
Bless you. So, it's been snowing pretty much all day. We have about 8 inches out there. God bless you. I'm trying to do something here.
It's snowing sideways, upside down, and in every direction all at the same time.
That's because it's a blizzard out there.
I know.
Is that what your guys' your New England term, wicked pissa, is about?
It's a wicked
pissa. Or is that
pissa.
only for rainstorms?
I don't know.
Anything exciting is a wicked pissa.
Please don't let me pick up a New England accent.
A wicked pissa.
Well, make sure you do.
Eh?
Let's not. I already got accused of picking up a southern accent when I was in South Carolina, and I don't think that really happened. Maybe a little twang, but really not.
I don't think I have an accent at all.
Oh my God.
Pucky.
I don't.
Of course not. Of course not. No one can tell you're from New York.
I don't think
knock it off.
anybody can tell. I don't have an accent.
Ugh.
What do you think?
Oh.
Yes.
We're sitting over here fighting about our accent, and Kevin's losing his family jewels.
Oh my God. Oh, jeez. If you were just a little taller, it wouldn't have been a problem. Knock it off. I want to keep those. Thank you very much.
It hurts so much to laugh. Shut up!
Leave Kevin alone!
Angel, take it away!
Does my pain amuse you?
I forgot what the heck we were talking about. Holy crap!
We were talking about my accent. We're gonna go ahead and call it an evening.
Just ask Taylor.
Take it away!
Right? I know how you feel.
She doesn't know how you feel though.
You should go out and play in that snow.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
China. Yeah, leave those attached, and you ain't got nothing to say here.
I love you. I love you.
There you go.
Oh, cry. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, my feet were in licking distance.
I'm gonna sit down and
Why?
cross my legs. Bye.